Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can mark the AOL mail as read. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. The first step is to open any browser you have on your PC. The second step is to open AOL Mail, and the third step is to log into your account. The fourth step is to go to Inbox and find the unread messages. So you can see these all are the unread messages as they are being shown on bold letters. So to mark them as read, just go ahead and tap on it, open the mail, and it will be read. Or else if you want to do this, just go ahead and select these mails, click on more, and you can see mark as read option. So if you click on it, then these will be marked as read. But if you want to unmark it again, just go ahead and click mark as unread, and you can see that it has been turned into bold again. So I'm going to give you the example. These are read. I'm going to more and click on mark as unread, and you can see that these have now turned into bold ones. So if you go to draft, you can see that there are drafts as well. You can select these and you can click on mark as read, and you can see that it will be marked as read. And same goes for other. You can select multiple at once, go to more and click on mark as read. This way it will easily become read and marked as read on AOL Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.